In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an audio player to ClickFunnels. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable audio player that your visitors can click and play right on your page. Start in the ClickFunnels page editor and decide exactly where you want the audio to live. Add a section and then a row in that spot. Think about your layout here. A single column is perfect for a full-width player, while a smaller column can help it sit neatly beside text or an image. If you plan to feature a headline or description above it, leave enough spacing so the player doesn't feel cramped, especially on mobile. Inside that row, click the plus Add New Element button. You'll see a list of element types. Head to the Media category and select the Audio element. This drops a placeholder on your page, which we'll configure next. Hover over the Audio element and click the gear icon to open its settings. Here's where the magic happens. You'll need to provide an audio file URL. This must be a publicly accessible link to your audio file, such as an MP3 or WAV. MP3 is generally the best choice because it offers great compatibility and smaller file sizes, which means faster loading and a smoother experience for your visitors. If you don't already have a public URL, you can upload your audio directly to ClickFunnels. Go to Workspace, then My Assets, and choose Audio Files. Upload your track there, copy the generated URL, and paste it into the audio file URL field back in the element settings. Using ClickFunnels assets ensures your link is accessible without extra permissions, which avoids playback issues. Next, decide how you want the player to behave. Turn on controls so visitors can play, pause, and scrub through the track easily. Autoplay can seem tempting, but many browsers block it, and it can surprise users, so consider leaving it off unless you have a specific reason. Loop is helpful for background ambience or short clips you want to repeat, but for podcasts or longer tracks, it's usually best to keep it off. When everything looks good, save your changes and preview the page. Test the player to make sure the audio loads quickly and plays smoothly. Check it on mobile as well, confirming the controls are easy to tap and the layout feels balanced. If the audio doesn't start, double-check that the URL is correct and publicly accessible. That's it. You've added a polished audio player to your ClickFunnels page ready for your audience to enjoy.